Today I'm going to demonstrate how to pull the keypad code off your Ford. This is for the keypad on the door to unlock the vehicle. We're using the Auto Pro Pad G2. What we're going to go is to immobilization on the main menu, where we will hit Ford. We're going to go to read keyless enter code, where it should auto detect the vehicle and the VIN and just give us the code. 57373 is the code for this one. Let's go ahead and make sure it works. Okay, we're on the outside of the vehicle. The door is now locked. We're going to go ahead and hit 57373, and now we got the vehicle unlocked.